Ibrahim. Very physical tackle here coming in from both sides. Picking it up beautifully. Gordon Thompson in the long one here. He's collected beautifully the back goalkeeper. No trouble at all. Teams have mastered the art of playing from the back. Pushing back to just to rush. Scoreline still remains 1. Ticha. Tichone. Chance for Tichone. Well, that was very close. The second goal. Samuel Friday James is not happy at all because his back was well exposed. But again, too many opportunities for Haruna Lukwago to open this cross and looking for Tichone to connect. But who not there to connect as expected. Opportunity there for Tichone. No, just missing that opportunity once again. And Cranes. Oh, the people's we're trying to really upset the Nigerians once again. Time we have possession, they try to move in. Nigeria looking to hit from long range. Captain leaving the ball down. Well, the Ugandans here having 3, as you see. Players in his setup. Then he pushes. So picks it up beautifully. So Ronald Adoy gets his back for ball in Greece. Oh, good play. Another best of connection. Scorer, the 10th. Big cross that came in. Nigeria quickly responding with a substitution here. And the join Ibrahim Musab live from Kano Pillars FC. And his position being taken there by Suleiman Ibrahim Idris, also from Kano Pillars FC.
Substitution by Team Nigeria. Player number 17, Ibra Abdullahi. Coming out with player number 20.
From Kano to take W Abdullahi from Wada United FC Nigeria. Spain given opportunity to replace Aronji Olekan Ibrahim, also played for Central Football Academy, also in Nigeria. So Rabiu is in here. So Rabiu plays.
Another substitution by Team Nigeria. Player number 12.
Get the ball back into
Ibrahim. Going out to player number 18. Rabiu Abdullahi.
Well, I just talked about the fact that the Peoples of Uganda do have 4 foreign-based players in the setup. Bernard Madoi plays his club football for SFK Parikos of Greece. He has his teammate in Ivan Erin Babanzi, also the same club. We also have Ibrahim Juma, who plays for Leganés in Spain. And then Alan Ayworth, who plays his country work at Brookside College Academy in the UK. So 4 foreign race players in the Hebrew setup here. And all the starting lineup of Nigeria are all locally based players. So many, well, none are playing abroad yet. Into the R mark here, the Accra Sports Stadium for the second match of the day in the opening men's football competition in the 13 Africa Games. The first game did see Senegal beating South Sudan by a goal to 0, and now it is Nigeria 1, Uganda 1.
Stop! Oh no! That's not a talk now. I'm not a talk together. Hey! Keep on, follow man. Oh yeah, go!
It's been talked about how what is happening with these setups and what really is the plan. I understand why they call this match as a riveting one in terms of the energy that the teams are exerting in the performance here. Well, again, they have to hit the ball wide.
Go! Your ball! Go! Stop, Santi! Santi, no, go! Go!
Well, we talk about the competition. Sorry. The game, or how the games against participating teams and your sports team the event by reaching the quarterfinals of the under 20 Africa Cup of Nations. So Uganda aiming to make placement of 4th in 1999, facing a challenge in this group that also includes Senegal and South Sudan.
What? I don't know.
The coach needed to make before coming here to Uganda, looking to set himself apart from Nigeria. So the ball into the box and the best of connection once again.
Go!
Juma. So obviously going to be a long round in there. The ball just gone off without Madoy. There's a dagger here. The teams know each other pretty well, so they have worked out and sized each other up.
Go!
Nigeria getting possession neat and simple as they try to stretch the Ugandans into opening up in defense. Here comes the Flying Eagles. Royals have to locate the captain. And here comes Rabu. Finds space. Kamei. Idris will play for the Flying Eagles, keeping possession neat and simple. Balls run to the right hand side. And this time another pressure connection there, but two the Nigerians, Isiaki would have to deal with it. Usama, the goal scorer, but no place to get someone of respite. Rabiu turning things up for Nigeria.
Stop, Auno! Stop! Auno, stop! We're not talking, Auno, I see not a talk. Go, go,
So he push. So they have to give the ball away, and here comes the opportunity for the people to strike for the second. Just gone wide.
First, Auno! Run, first! Run!
There's going to be a call there for attention. Well, the hold up here for both teams as Nigeria try to sort things out. We're a happy team to see one of the players, Nasir Nadieza Mohammed, picking up an injury. Well, the Ugandan coach indicating that a lot really not changed since we lost to the Flying Eagles. And he talked about the fact that there's no fear at all in the players as they come up here against the Flying Eagles. Not too surprised that the scoreline clearly indicating that. Well, this equalizing goal there from Isiaki, and you can see that I'm so excited about the goal that came in. It's the point there from the Ugandan coach. Uganda really got some experienced players, forward Bruno Bunyanga and Alpha Sali from Express FC. And that might probably be the last action there for the Nigerian coaching staff. So Aziz Mohammed, who plays that football for Capital City FC, might be being replaced. Substitution already made by the Nigerians.
Player number 15, Nazer Mohammed,
FC.
going out to player number 17, Ibrahim Abdullahi.
Your ball!
Trying to get this himself in any awkward position. One of those expect to see more than two. Competition, and that's what here. He's going to ground, Badoy. Few players, he's talked about a change there that's coming into from Badoy. Pretty much of a sad situation there for Unad Badoy. Also played a part in the under-20 Cairo. Player from Uganda. We got enough of the competition. Unad Badoy. For same team. Played away by Samson. And Nigeria will send their players running for this one. Isiaki, the goal scorer for the Flying Eagles. Minutes left on the clock for both teams to see if they can get a winning goal quickly. Here comes Samson. 5 speeds in Haruna Aliu. This is Tamir, the captain. Good run there. Gaga couldn't get to it. There's going to be a change there. And so that's the replacement there for Badoy, Cyrus Ipandi. Cyrus is not a product of the FUFA on the 17 competition. Plays club football for
substitution by Team Uganda. Player number 6, Bunal Madu, going out to player number 13, Cyrus Ipandi.
Cyrus Ipandi coming in here. He's got some bit of experience. And then Steve then is looking to come out and do something spectacular in his game. And players really making their mark on the Nigerian side, and so there's been a lot of talk about Charles Dagada and the likes of Lalukon Ibrahim. Let's forget it. Daniel Bamiye, their captain. Here comes Bamiye. Charles Agada finds Bamiye, 17 years, sends the ball in. Keeper spills and is able to come back and deal with the situation. And that is Abdul Magada from Gaddafi FC. That was the fourth there from Bamiye. The Nigerian captain. There, which was well initially spilled there by the goalkeeper, was able to get it to it. Well, the Flying Eagles captain, Daniel Kolochi Bamiye, who was first called up to the senior team of Nigeria in November 2022 for a friendly game against Costa Rica, and going on to make a debut in a 2-0 loss. He was again called up to the senior squad for the 2023 Africa Cup of Nations qualification games against Guinea-Bissau. And feeble work of that for Flying Eagles. Tenchetet, Eva, Chuboze, Ziobu.
Oh yeah, get it, go. Oh yeah.
Here comes Nigeria. Isiaki and goes wide. Well, it's got the equalizing goal with a headed effort to level the scoreline here. And to expect a lot of work there from the man Sadiq Mohammed. Isiaka. Into the final quarter now in the game, the last quarter of the game to be played for in the second game of this little games competition. The captain once again. He represented Nigeria and team the U20 Cup of Nations, captain his side as they finished third in the competition. Suspended for the quarterfinals after accumulating 2 yellow cards in the group stage. I'll tell you what, he made a mistake in the match. The match against Gambia allowed them to score the only goal of the game.
Watch it!
Tackle there by the man.
Gaga. It's all you. Sorry.
Previously, he's had very successful tackles, but this is not one of them.
Two.
Talked about his impressive play and the start of making for the Nigerians. Taking well, bounced away by Friday. Nigeria also gets the ball out of the danger zone. Hippos. The play here for the Hippos. The Nigerians. So Hippos looking for the second before he take it.
John. Yeah, John. John. Later. Yeah, go.
He's still struggling to come out. To wrap 12 minutes of the game. Scoreline still remains 1-2 to each side.
They're good.
Probably might not be the performance the Flying Eagles will be expecting.
Go. Come on, guys. No, your man. No, your man. No pushing.
But they haven't been that close enough to end up, who knows? And this is Barrier with an opportunity.
Go.
Well, that's really very good there for the Ugandans. What he really can do. Well, it was very close there, wasn't it? In the last 10 minutes of the game, last at a time. And Nigeria back. The Hippos will hit this one. Second year for the Hippos of Uganda. What a strike!
It's a beautiful goal scored by player number 8 of Uganda, Ivan Ilambabazi.
Well, just talk about the team in the final 10 minutes or so to go. And just after a very patient in the build-up, Ivan hit this one outside the 18-yard box. And simply, they would be excited. They would be absolutely excited. Well, that's it. Set a tone for another cracking moment there in this game. They have been speaking about these two sides and talked about the performance. What a goal there, what a goal. That's a worrisome situation there for Nigeria. Favor Igweze Eziogu. Did you see this? To do the script to be written there. Did you see that? I'm sure a lot of people did see it. That's what Chairman Moses Kwasu, who had indicated their respect for Nigeria, but they were not going to be afraid of them. Clearly, he's got some plans there for the Flying Eagles, and here they are, leading by 2 goals to 1. Now they're down by 2 goals to 1. They'll be thinking of what's next to be done. They're just wrapping the game up. All this foot moving forward here. Akandi.
Well, just. Like a ball, somewhere.
There's a lot of questions to be asked here about the Nigerians. One of those questions will be whether the coach really selected the best players for the competition.
Yeah,
just simply waiting to see what happens. It's just 5 minutes to go. Substitution there, Nigeria introducing Sunday Joseph from Zamfara.
Substitution by Team Nigeria. Player number 9.
Agada of Marvelous.
Charles Agada coming out for player number 11. Kindi Ibrahim.
Mutabi has also been given a chance to come play a part.
Another substitution by Team Uganda. Player number 11. Patrick Kakambi coming out for player number 5.
But he's got experience, he's been around for a very long time.
Hakeem
Comes to replace Patrick Kakanda. And Mutabi is given some few minutes to come himself up.
Go. One.
So the scoreline clearly reflects what's going on now. As ball is whipped in with the header here. Very close, very close. And Bruno Munyenga has been talked about in Uganda to see what he can produce. Certainly is in. Anything to there for the side, probably looking for a third. And we work there in his quest to control a chance to see if he can get a team to get a fair goal. Mutabi. All off the line. She's got into the early stages of the game already, and we've seen Uganda trying to hold their own against the Flying Eagles. They're ready to go down that easily. They're very syndicated. How strong they are with Nigeria still probing for an equalizer here. So turn around. Yeah, absolutely going to be a one. What we have to do. So that's the tackle here. As Ivan tried to control the ball, stepped on it. Here's the case of the game being played at the Accra Sports Stadium. We're just getting ready for the other match they played tomorrow when the host nation Ghana meet DR Congo. So this was where the headlines were flashing. It was everywhere Uganda. And Most channels we're talking about this team and how they have come good in terms of the coaching, the head coach, and Madam Trosso, looking at what really happened and within 5 minutes of additional time.
The referee has indicated an additional time of 5 minutes.
The right decision by Madam Trosso to draw the likes of Farouk Ogundere and Arehi Parobo, and those who are talking about them having experience and absolutely not playing a part in this game. Here they are, it's down by 2-1 against the Ugandan side. That is not going to be perturbed at all by the experience of the Nigerians in this competition. There will be a substitution there for the Ugandan side that should try to prepare. Solo Innocent, who was a place for URAFC in Uganda as well. He pushed Uganda. So getting lots and lots of support there by Ghanaians who are watching this game, and so final attack by Marcy Chichone, who is out of the game now for Kisolo to make a way. There's a decision there by the head coach to install the players and probably get to the fans who enjoy themselves and supporting them for victory against the Flying Eagles of Nigeria.
Come on, come on!
Pressure there, and it comes to Sama.
Come on, Uno.
Absolutely right up to the scoreline as it is now, Uganda. To get the 2 points and perhaps be excited about the Air Force are doing in this competition. Physicality in this game every day, and both teams trying to exert their influence in the game. And as it stands now, it has been the Uganda, who seem to be having the best of luck now because they lead by goal to nil. Equalizing, excited at least, trying to wear down their time. Time on the side of the Flying Eagles, but for the people of Uganda, they can afford to delay a little bit, maybe. And it's not certainly going to be the story for the Flying Eagles as they still try to push and see if they can get something in. Interesting encounter there by both teams in terms of what they have produced and what they intend to produce again. Beyond here. This one is going to be an improvement advantage to the Flying Eagles Suleiman Ibrahim Idris. Into the last seconds of the 5 minutes of added time. Absolutely. And brilliant and excellent work there from the Uganda foul, lovely. In the first half, almost everything. With the ball in and trying to get the teammates to push forward. Just about there's one here, substitution from the Peoples. We also trying to introduce Kiza, who's somewhat the goal scorer, is out. His position there was picked up by Sali.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming in the very final limits, we have player number 10 from Uganda, Kiza.
Well, so going between Nigeria and Uganda, this time did favor the Flying Eagles. The very first time they met, it was Juma's own goal that gave Nigeria the victory. But this time, the Hippos of Uganda prepared, and they have surprised Nigeria with a 2-1 win. It all started with Sama with the first goal. Nigeria coming back strongly to equalize to Isiaka. But again, there was plan there by Ivan Iwamampezi, who got the winning goal for Uganda in the 81st minute. It finished here at Cross Sports Stadium, Nigeria 1, Uganda 2.